Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Netflix. Access your streaming account step by step clearly. First, make sure your phone, tablet, computer, or smart TV is connected to the internet. Open the Netflix app on your device, or open a web browser and go to Netflix.com. If you are using a browser, check that the website address is spelled correctly to avoid fake pages. On the Netflix home screen, select the Sign In button. If you do not see Sign In, look for it in the top right corner or in the menu on some devices. Click or tap email or phone number, then type the email or phone number linked to your Netflix account. Double-check for typing mistakes like extra spaces or missing letters. Click or tap Password, then enter your Netflix password carefully. If you want to stay signed in on a private device, keep Remember Me enabled if it appears. If you are on a shared device, disable Remember Me to protect your account. Select Sign In to log into your Netflix account. Wait a few seconds while Netflix verifies your details. If you are asked to choose a profile, select your name or the profile you want to use. If Netflix shows the wrong profile, go back and choose the correct one. If you forgot your password, click or tap Forgot Password on the sign-in screen. Choose whether to reset your password by email or by text message, depending on what your account uses. Open the email or SMS from Netflix and follow the reset link or code exactly as shown. Create a new strong password that you have not used on other websites. Return to the Netflix sign-in screen and log in again with a new password. If you forgot your email or phone number, select Need Help and follow the account recovery options. If you see an error like Incorrect Password, retype your password and check Caps Lock on a keyboard. If the app is not loading, close it completely and open it again. If the problem continues, restart your device to clear temporary issues. On a smart TV, you may need to update the Netflix app from the App Store before signing in. If Netflix says your account is not active, check your payment method and membership status in account settings. If you are traveling or using a new device, be ready to confirm your login if Netflix asks for verification. After you are signed in, use Search to find a movie or series and press Play to start streaming. When you are finished on a shared device, go to Get Help or Settings and select Sign Out. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.